Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Tech World. Last time we were talking about UI to code tutorial. It means we make our Figma design into nextjs application and implement this design in our application that is codeful. So what we want to do now? Last time the design of this profile picture and the div behind this was on right side. I make it on left side. How I do this? I make setting to look it perfectly on screen. For that, I go to hero section, and here over the image. This was the image tag, and here I use the tailwind CSS class rounded below left, bottom left, or and set it to 140 pixels, so it can be look like that. And the other thing I do on the div above the image, which was that I also set it rounded bottom left to 140 pixels and set it to minus left minus f, so it can shift left side from our image to minus 5 spacing, that is 1.25 rem minus 20 pixels. Another thing, I give some spacing from bottom side, that was minus 4 pixels, and right minus 10, that was 40 pixels, and top minus 10, and finally I rotate minus 2, so it is not as aligned and straight like our image, it is somehow rotate from that. You can see that it is rotating. If I set it to minus 4, you can see how much it will be rotated. I set to minus 4, so it rotate more like this. If I set to minus positive rotate minus 4, so it will be look like this. So you can use rotate class to rotate your div. So the minus rotate minus 2 will look perfect, so I set to this. So basically, if in this tutorial I am telling you about page. This was our about page. You can see here. And there is download resume button. But when I click it, it go to home page. What I want? I want when I click download resume button, it should resume download. It should download our resume to our system. To do that, what we can do to our download resume button? We go to our about page, and here is the link of download resume button, and it is for now visiting to our home page. But what we want to do, we want to make it visit to our resume, so we place our resume.pdf to our public folder in our nextjs app. Then what we do, we pass it an href tag, the property of name. So here I write resume dot pdf. So it is not downloading, it is opening our resume. We want to download it. So if we want to download it, what we will need to do, we have to pass one thing more there. That is download property. When we pass download property to or simple, we said it download, so it will download your resume. So now when we click on download resume button, it will download the resume. With our download resume button to make it workable, what to do? We have to go here and use anchor tag and place a link tag. Anchor tag will search for download button. And the class of tailwind CSS should be the same. So now when I click here, it will pop up and said to download. When we go to save as button and you can see it from your file explorer folder. See this, the CV is now downloaded. Okay, and a second thing we want to learn is that when we click on hide button, TSS is hiring button. So it will open gmail.com so that client can send message on our Gmail. For doing this, we can use this link and dark plan related this another settings of the messages are the same. So when we click on home button, hierarchy button, it will open Gmail and you can send Gmail. Gmail will be sent. And for working on See My Projects button, you can also give your GitHub link here. So for that, what we do, we go to our GitHub link. GitHub. You can give the link of your profile, which is there. So control C and go to our See My Projects button. Where is our See My Projects button? this is the first. So here I am giving the name of our getter. So client can see our projects from our getter. So I'm closing it and click on see my projects button. And should visit our profile. Oh, I mistakenly right slash here now. When we click here, it will visit to our GitHub profile and client can see projects from our GitHub. And this is our contact page. Client can send message here and there you can give LinkedIn, GitHub and any other social media platform to contact for your projects like Dribble and anything like Indeed, the link of Indeed. So when we click here, it will visit your profile. Now send message there. This is enough for today. Thank you. We will see to display our projects on portfolio in next video. Thank you.